Picture yourself in the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power liftgate. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.